Hi, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Julie. We're speech-language pathologist editors here at Super Duper Publications. And this is Weber Basic Concepts Magnets. We have Level 1 and Level 2.
In both levels that we have here, we're going to target 54 basic concepts. These are going to be the same concepts that we target in our Weber Basic Concepts Instructional Activity Program, as well as the WIG Assessment of Basic Concepts, or the WABC. Each of the magnets is going to come in a pair of opposite and related pairs so that we're going to be able to teach both of the concepts, say big and little, top, bottom, etc. Each of the magnets will also include a third magnet which will act as a foil as we're increasing difficulty learning these basic concepts.
And all of the basic concepts are organized in storage boxes. They're color-coded by the different skill topics or categories that your students need to learn for all of those basic concepts. We have things like color and shape, distance, speed and time, and location direction.
So once we have the magnets and we've addressed an area of basic concepts that we want to address, how do we actually use these magnets with our students? Well, if you have any magnetic surface, you can use it on a board. So if you're doing a class activity, you can use the magnets, simply put them on, and we're teaching that basic concept. If we're going to increase that level of difficulty, then we can add that third magnet in and teach that concept of big, little, and then also with the foil included with those.
So this is one of our MagneFoam magnets up close. As you can see, it's made of a puffy foam magnet material that's easy for little hands to hold. It's easy for them to grab these magnets and manipulate them as they're learning the different concepts. As well, don't forget that we have the information on the back of the magnet. This will tell you where to find the magnet in the box, as well as the specific concept that you're teaching.
So if you're working students individually, notice here we have our MagneTalk Activity Center. You can use these to teach the concept with just the two pictures that we have. So we can use two magnets, teach the concept, and then of course our foil will be added in later. One of the ways that we can use this with a group of a couple of students, such as a barrier game, to not only work on learning the basic concepts, but also auditory processing and following directions that are given either by the teacher or the students themselves. For example, if we're working with the first and last concept, we have a magnet indicating first and last. And then on the back side, we also have magnets indicating first and last. The teacher will simply identify that concept. The students will take a look at the magnets that are on their board, and the first one to identify the correct concept will then get both sets of magnets.
And another way to play is to place a student on either side of the board. You'll place several magnets on both sides of the board. So for example, we can place happy on the front of the board, then flip the board over and place sad. In this way, you'll have those opposite or related pairs, one magnet on each side of the board. You'll have a student take a turn naming one of the concepts, like happy, and the student on the other side of the board will look for the related concept. In this case, it's sad.
Now, another way of playing this game, either with Level 1 or Level 2, is to actually use the game boards that are found with the Weber Basic Concepts Instructional Activity Program. All of the magnets that are included with these sets are representative of the game boards because remember, we're teaching the same concepts found in that program. So with this, not only do we get to use the game board for added visual reference, but we can actually teach this concept by being a simple matching activity. So for example, find the fireman that is at the top of the fire pole. There we go. We can match those up very similar. And it also gives the students ability to demonstrate their receptive ability of following directions, because not only can you give those directions auditorily, you can also check your answers by having the students place the magnets accordingly, and then you can check those to make sure that they've understood that concept.
Another fun way to play this game is to place several magnets in a bag. Place those concepts as well as the foils within the bag and have students take turns pulling those out. Then what you'll simply do is write the names on the board of the students that are working on those skills. You'll draw two circles, and when students pull out a concept or a foil, they'll name what it is. If they get it correct, they'll simply take the magnet and place it in their circle. And the student with the most magnets in their circle at the end of the game is the winner. Weber Basic Concepts Magnets, both levels 1 and 2, each includes 158 easy-to-hold magnets. Each set teaches children 54 concepts. Level 1 teaches 54 concepts found in Weber Basic Concepts Instructional Activity Program, and Level 2 includes 54 concepts from the Level 2 of Weber Basic Concepts Instructional Activity Program. As well, these target concepts in both sets are included in the WABC, WIG Assessment of Basic Concepts. In addition, you'll get a handy storage box to keep all of the magnets organized and separated. As well, the box lid includes game ideas and activities for both levels 1 and 2. So this is Weber Basic Concepts Magnets, both levels 1 and 2. Again, it's a fun, interactive way for your students to work on learning those basic concepts found in the Weber Basic Concepts Instructional Activity Program.
Once again, we're targeting 54 concepts in each set, so we're going to have a total of 108 concepts that we can work on with these magnets. You're also going to get 158 magnets in each set. So if you'd like to learn more about this product in detail, please visit our website, superduperinc.com, or even visit our Facebook page and let us know your thoughts and how you would use this in your therapy.